My second stop is stopping. It's raining.
Dude, I don't take the shortcut. You know why? It's gonna be fucking flooding. Alright.
Oh.
It's gonna be fucking flooding. You know, by down, you know how we go slide down the drain thingy?
Yeah.
It's gonna be full of water, dumbass, from the freeway. Just take the short way. Okay.
No, but we need to get to my house faster though.
So?
We'll just take the shortcut away.
No.
Come on.
I'd rather take the regular shortcut.
Do you know how long you know how much that's gonna be flooding?
Not as much.
It's gonna be a river going down.
Not as much as the other one.
But we'll see.
Fuck the umbrella already. Put it in your bag.
Huh?
You need umbrella.
We need. Need, dog. I get this camera in my bag. It's going on YouTube.
How the hell you call this umbrella?
Yeah, I spit in my shoe. Oh, dumbass. Okay, I'm ready.